How to delete WhatsApp status permanently. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can delete the images or videos that you have uploaded on your WhatsApp status permanently. Now it's quite simple. Simply download the WhatsApp here and open up the WhatsApp here. Once you open up WhatsApp, if you tap on the status option there, you'll be able to see your status. Now you can see I've just uploaded a status here. Now what you want to do is to delete your WhatsApp status. Simply tap on the three dots option there here and then tap on three dots again, and then you'll get the option delete. You can see simply tap on delete and it'll ask you to confirmation delete one status update. Simply tap on delete and it'll be deleted. Now what you need to know is once you delete WhatsApp status here, it'll be deleted permanently and it won't be shown up anywhere. Your friends won't be able to see them, your friends won't be able to look at them, or you won't be able to get it back. So once you delete it from here, it'll be deleted permanently, whether you delete a text status, images status, or video status. So this way you can delete WhatsApp status permanently. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.